Delhi government has sanctioned funds worth Rs 2,306.58 crore for the 2 new campuses of the state-run Ambedkar University at Rohini and Dheerpur, said a government statement on Wednesday. The new campuses will accommodate over 26,000 students in the coming years, it said. Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia has approved funds worth Rs 2,306.58 crores for creating state-of-the-art infrastructure at upcoming campuses of Ambedkar University. Sisodia, who also holds the education portfolio, said every year more than 2.5 lakh students pass out from class 12 and apply for various universities. But not everyone gets admission in the prominent universities despite having talent and capability. Sisodia added that the versity's present sanctioned strength of the students is more than 4,000, and after the creation of 2 new campuses at Dheerpur and Rohini, it will increase to 30,000 students.